Good morning, children. I hope you enjoyed the story Savita and Mary Jones and you have understood how important our cultural heritage is, right? Today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start with words to know. Folklore, the tradition story of culture of a group of people. Immutable, too many to be counted. Persistence, continuous effort. Absorbing, taking or soaking in something. Trepidation, a feeling of fear that something bad might happen. Now be mindful. Sit down or lie down comfortably and close your eyes. You use a pillow or a blanket to make yourself as comfortable as you can. Take a few deep breaths and you can start to relax. Bring all your attention to your right foot. Concentrate on how it feels. Squeeze your right foot, making a fist, and with the entire right foot and all 5 toes, tense and squeeze it tightly. Hold this tension for 2 deep breaths. Then release all the tension in the foot. Relax it completely and notice the tension release. There may be a tingling sensation in your foot. Now move your attention to the left foot. Follow the same instruction for the foot. See, we make a fist in the hand now. Same you need to do. You need to fold all your fingers inside and make a fist, and then hold it for 2 seconds and then leave it. You'll feel very relaxed. Okay. Now we'll do the question and answers. What qualities were exhibited by Mary Jones? So Mary Jones were very persistent. Yes. And for Savita was very persistent too. She never gave up. She tried to learn something new, a new culture, so that she could understand what Mary Jones had written in the book. Okay. Why do you think Savita parents never enjoyed the community events? Because Savita parents enjoyed a lot of chit chatting and fancy things, so they never enjoyed the community event. Why did Savita parents decided to learn to read English? Because Savita wanted to read an English book, so their father decided that we will not stop our kid, but however we will also learn English. Your religion is a part of cultural heritage. How important is religion in your family? How do you think you have influenced you? So now you need to write what religion you follow and how you have got influenced by your religion. Describe and define the most important holiday of your culture. Yes, children. So we have our holidays, right? So in those holidays, how do you celebrate? So we have Diwali, we have Holi, we have some festival holidays. How do you celebrate? Write that. Okay. Why did Savita decided to read the story of Mary Jones every day? So Savita read the story of Mary Jones every day so that she could understand what she wanted to say, and then she could write it in different languages. When did Savita's parents seem radiant and chirpy? So in holidays when they go out, the parents were very chirpy. Why did Savita not tell her parents the desire to read the storybook? Because they were always against reading any other language book. They preferred reading only Gujarati books. Okay. Do you know of any religion text that highlights how life should be lived? List down 5 things that you learn from it, and how would you use it in your life. So there are few religion book, children. So try to find out what are the important texts that we should use in our daily life and how can you implement in your life. Okay. Now we have got Tony and Tutu. Hey, how will you feel if I wrote your name on the house wall? Bad, but why would you do that? It is because I saw you writing it on the monument yesterday. How will people enjoy the beauty now? Yes, I was wrong, so I have done that. I will not do it again. Yes, children, we have to take care of our heritage monuments. So when you go to your fort and killas, don't write there, don't make it dirty. Keep them neat and clean so that others can enjoy the beauty. Now, value for life. In a vibrant society, culture is expressed in many ways. There are stories, music, dance, and arts which all are used to express life of the society. This creative expression helps us to define the people and the culture serves to impose the quality and life of the people. Cultural heritage help us in better understanding of history. By getting together to cultural activities like fair, exhibition and festivals or social gatherings, thus creating more groups of people. Cultural heritage is also the factor of rural development, supporting tourism and community renewal and preserving our heritage and attract of people. Yes, your cultural heritage help you to understand yourself a little better. You understand the thought process of your ancestors. So participate in your cultural help and you identify with your own place of origin. Yes, children. See, when we have cultural heritage, we understand what was our origin, right? अब जैसे कि आप जोधपुर में ही पले बड़े हो तो आप समझते हो कि राजपूती क्या होते हैं, चौधरीज क्या होते हैं, चौहान्स क्या होते हैं. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड द कल्चर, यू अंडरस्टैंड द फोर्ट, यू अंडरस्टैंड द किलाज हिस्ट्री. So that is what the cultural heritage is. Okay. Now be wise. Be proud of your own culture that includes your mother tongue, which is either Marathi, Hindi, or Kannada, or our languages hold us many traditional information. If we do not speak or learn our language, the information will vanish in time. There are beautiful folk tales or a religion language which get lost because people have forgotten to speak the language. Yes, children, very true. We have to speak our mother tongue. So for example, कुछ बच्चे होंगे जो घर में मारवाड़ी बोलते होंगे, राइट कुछ बच्चे होंगे जो हिंदी बोलते होंगे, साउथ इंडियंस कन्नड़ बोलते होंगे, कुछ होंगे जो इंग्लिश बोलते होंगे. दैट इज़ आवर मदर टंग. एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन देयर आर सम बुक्स और सम फोक सॉन्ग्स रिटन इन गुजराती, मराठी, पंजाबी. ऐसा क्यों है? जस्ट टू कीप द कल्चरल हेरिटेज अलाइव. ओके. Every part of India is steeped in long history. Learn the history of your town, city, or village. You will be surprised to see how many centuries and lands have been inhabited. Visit the old part of the city and you will see how life around the city has evolved. Yes, children. अभी भी अगर आप राजस्थान के आसपास के गांव में जाओगे तो कितना डिफरेंट दिखता है, जैसा अपना जोधपुर है या जयपुर है. So the rural area or the villages still hold our ancestors. उनके पुराने ज़माने की चीज़ें अभी भी वहाँ पर है. एंड देन यू गेट कनेक्टेड टू योर कल्चर. सो डू विजिट दैट चिल्ड्रन. नाउ आई हैव एन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. वी विल एक्सप्लोर द वेरियस आइडेंटिटीज of everyone we have. For instance, a person can be a girl, dancer, a basketball player, a guitar, or a book lover, all at the same time. This implies that she is a part of 5 group or identity. This exercise looks at the root culture of by naming aspects of identical information to each individual. Yes, so ऐसा ही होता है ना. फॉर इंस्टेंस कोई भी अगर लड़की होती है वो डांसर होती है, सिंगर होती है, बुक रीडर होती है, तो गुजराती बुक्स पढ़ती है, तो हमको पता पड़ता है कि वो कहाँ से आई है, राइट. सो ऑन अ पेपर राइट 5 डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटीज ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड विच आइडेंटिटी कम फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्ट सेंसिटिव्स. येस, सो राइट 5 आइडेंटिटीज़ अपने बारे में और बताओ, देखो कि वो कहाँ से आपके कल्चर से कैसे आई है. मे बी द वे यू टॉक, मे बी द वे यू ड्रेस, द वे you pray, celebrate festival, or you make your food. ठीक है. So this was all about Savita and Mary Jones, children. I hope you understand the value of your cultural heritage and you will always try to keep it alive. Okay, read about your culture and you will feel proud of it. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye, take care.